and gentlemen, the Director General of UNESCO, Irina Bokova.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to UNESCO. UNESCO, a house of peace. Tonight, this is the house of jazz. Henri Matisse once said, jazz was rhythm and meaning, and I think he got it right. Jazz is a music at its most creative, most free. Jazz means dialogue, reaching out to others, bringing everyone on board. Jazz means respecting the rights and dignity of every woman and man. Jazz means courage, standing up for freedom, dignity, and rights, against hatred and discrimination. This is why UNESCO created International Jazz Day. One of the most groundbreaking expressions of the 20th century. Jazz is already capturing the spirit of the 21st, with roots across the world, from Africa to Asia, from Europe to the Caribbean. Jazz is a universal language, crossing all borders, linking all generations. We need this more than ever today. Young women and men, especially, need new tools of peace that speak to the heart. This is why UNESCO is here, to help women and men make the most of humanity, from our diversity, on the basis of rights and respect against the hatred and discrimination. This is our message today, this evening, and the inspiration for this all-star global concert. For all this, allow me to thank our Goodwill Ambassador, Herbie Hancock, along with the Thelonious Monk Institute of Jazz. Let me thank also each of the artists involved for sharing their passion and their talent. Tonight, here at UNESCO and across the world, in events, concerts, masterclasses, being held in every country in the world. And in this spirit, I wish now to introduce a man who is profoundly committed to human rights and equal dignity, to advancing dialogue for peace. Mr. Ban Ki-moon, Secretary General of the United Nations.
Thank you so much, UNESCO Director General, Madam Irina Bokova, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, bonsoir, good evening. I'm grateful to UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador Herbie Hancock and the Thelonious Monk Institute of Jazz for consistently supporting the United Nations. I especially appreciate all the performers who brought their talents here tonight. This concert is a mini United Nations with musicians from all around the world. They speak the same language, the language of jazz. What a great spirit. It really inspires me. Sometimes when I hit a very tough wall, I listen to jazz. When you hear jazz, you learn the secret to solving any problem. You just have to improvise. Jazz is spontaneous, but it also takes a cooperation. That is why I agree with Herbie Hancock when he said jazz is about working together and respecting each other. ladies and gentlemen, it's wonderful to be in Paris in April. As the song goes, I never knew my heart could sing till April in Paris. Mesdames et messieurs, profitons de cette belle soirée et renouvelons notre engagement de promouvoir la paix et la culture partout dans le monde. Merci beaucoup.
Sans amour, sans souci.